Yo, masters of the crypto universe. Check this wallet. That's not just digital fluff. That's a serious Sol fortune, all built with precision and strategy. How'd I amass this treasure? Not by playing follow the leader, but by being the leader. If you're done with pocket change and ready for serious financial engineering, you've hit the jackpot. I'm about to drop the golden rules for launching meme coins that actually generate wealth. Pure value. Let's get this bread. Alright, let's lay down the law. If Pump.Fun is your current exchange for new listings, you're devaluing your time and capital, fam. That platform is an absolute hyperinflated mess, a relentless minting of new tokens that mostly become worthless within hours. Expecting your project to hold any real value there? It's like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. The seasoned investors have long since diversified away from that chaos. It's now primarily a market for lemons. For genuine asset growth, a more discerning venue is crucial. So, where are the high-value assets being traded? Radium, no question. This is where quality Memecoin ventures make their mark and attract serious investment. You'll observe fewer, more carefully considered listings, which translates to projects with robust liquidity, significant market valuations, and the genuine potential for sustained appreciation. The critical element? Radium typically requires a certain standard of technical execution, which naturally acts as a barrier to entry for the endless flood of low-grade spam. This cultivates a more sophisticated marketplace where a well-capitalized and strategically positioned launch can truly capture investor interest and achieve premium pricing. But I'm about to give you the ultimate financial vehicle, PumpZone.io. This powerful platform is your direct, streamlined gateway to the Radium exchange, completely eliminating any need for complex financial engineering or coding. PumpZone.io simplifies the entire token issuance and listing process, transforming it into a few remarkably efficient, user-friendly steps. This is your express pass to getting your coin trading alongside the market leaders. No advanced financial certifications needed. First things first, your coin needs a prestigious visual identity, a logo that immediately communicates value and high growth potential. For this financial instrument, we're designing Capitalist Token. Envision a refined, perhaps minimalist design, maybe incorporating elements of wealth like a gold bar or a stylized financial chart, something that screams prosperity. Fire up Canva. Set your canvas to the 125 by 125 pixels dimension. Craft your Capitalist Token emblem, ensure it's elegant and impactful, then save that graphic. Your coin's brand equity secured. This is an absolutely foundational investment. Time to issue Capitalist Token to the market using PumpZone.io. And the brilliant part? No direct wallet linkage for the token creation itself, ensuring institutional grade security for your existing portfolio. Okay, token name, Capitalist Token. Symbol, Kappa token. Sounds like a blue chip. Tokenomics. That 1 billion supply? It's the optimal structure for achieving broad market penetration and appeal. Leave it exactly as is. Description. For this, I'll just paste in my pre-generated description, designed to resonate with our target investors. Now, upload that prestigious Capitalist Token logo we just meticulously crafted. Whale metadata. Absolutely ensure this is enabled. It's a critical signal of transparency and a professional approach to sophisticated investors and funds, a non-negotiable for high-value projects. Social links. You can input these if you have a strong existing corporate identity, but for a swift and impactful market launch, I generally choose to leverage Radium's inherent distribution network. Now, the articles of a trustworthy financial instrument. Revoke authorities. Listen very carefully. Revoke mint authority, revoke freeze authority, and revoke metadata update authority. All three of these crucial settings must be switched on. This is your binding contract with the market. No possibility of new tokens diluting shareholder value. No ability for you to arbitrarily freeze investor accounts, and no altering the coin's fundamental prospectus after its initial offering. This is what builds unshakable market confidence and attracts serious capital. Next up, PumpZone.io's secure infrastructure. Paste your personal Solana wallet address right here. This is the designated wallet where your newly minted Kappa token tokens will be securely deposited, incredibly safe, as your main investment portfolio remains completely segregated during this creation process. I'm inputting my address now. Click Create Token. PumpZone.io will then display a unique Solana address. This address is for the small Solana minting fee. Copy it. Head to your wallet and execute the transfer of Sol. Critical financial advisory. Do not close PumpZone.io page after you have sent the fee. Allow it a few moments, 10, 20, perhaps 30 seconds, for the blockchain to confirm and finalize the minting process. If you close the page prematurely, the transaction might not fully settle. Just let it complete. And the transaction is executed. Token created successfully. PumpZone.io now shows your official Capitalist Token contract address. Copy that. Kappa token is now officially listed on the Solana blockchain. A quick due diligence check on SolScan confirms it. Minted and looking like a prime asset. Now let's take it to the exchange. A token without a trading market is merely an unlisted security. Let's get Capitalist token trading on the Radium exchange. From pumpzone.io, click Create Liquidity Pool or navigate directly to Radium. Connect your wallet. For the base token, paste the CapiToken contract address we just acquired. Symbol, CapiToken. Name, Capitalist token. Add, and then select it. Your full 1 billion CapiToken supply should be visible. We're going to inject 900 million into the liquidity pool to establish a deep and liquid market. Quote, token will be Solana. Max out your available SOL for this liquidity provision, but ensure you retain about 0.2 SOL to cover Radium's pool creation fee. It's typically indicated. This SOL is your initial market-making capital. For the fee tier, 2% is the well-established and efficient choice for facilitating trades. All parameters set. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet. And just like that, Capitalist token is officially open for trading on the Radium public market. Now that Capitalist token is live on Radium with established liquidity, it's time to observe the market's valuation. Believe me, every new, high-quality token on Radium attracts immediate interest from discerning institutional and retail investors. Time to chart our newly listed financial asset. Grab your CapiToken address from pumpzone.io or SolScan. Head directly to Deck Screener. Here's an efficient method. Open any coin's chart on Deck Screener, then navigate to your browser's URL bar and simply paste your CapiToken contract address over the existing one. Hit enter, and presto, your live Capitalist token chart is displayed, reflecting real-time price discovery. You'll likely see some instant miner trades. Those are just the network arbitrage bots ensuring market efficiency. Perfectly normal. We're on the lookout for those substantial, organic buy orders from serious capital allocators. Hold the ticker. What just printed on the tape? Our first major buy order for Capitalist token just executed. A significant inflow of SOL has been committed. You can see the liquidity pool immediately reflect this increased investor demand. That's the powerful bullish momentum we were anticipating. Incredible market action. Another wave of significant buy-side volume just came in, even more substantial this time. Capitalist token is clearly attracting serious investment, and market participants are accumulating sizable positions. Look at that market capitalization begin to expand with undeniable strength. This is the sheer thrill of a successful market debut, watching your asset gain widespread acceptance. This is absolutely a blue-chip performance. A third massive institutional-grade buy just hit the Capitalist token order book. The situation is rapidly escalating into a full-fledged bull market rally. The fear of missing out is undeniably driving investor sentiment, and the upward price trajectory is formidable. This is precisely the explosive public offering we structured. Capitalist token has demonstrated impressive market performance, painting the charts with strong upward trends. Now, for the ultimate financial strategy, realizing your substantial profits. It's time to liquidate your position for maximum returns. Head back to your Radium portfolio, ensure your wallet is properly linked, and click on the Standard tab. Identify your Capitalist token LP position, then hit that little minus icon. We're cashing out the entire holding to lock in those gains. Max out that slider to 100%. Take a moment to appreciate the significant Solana value you're about to transfer to your personal account. Looks impressive, doesn't it? Click Remove Liquidity. Approve the transaction when your wallet prompts, and let the blockchain finalize the settlement. That's how you convert a freshly launched financial asset into a major Solana position in your own diversified portfolio. This particular financial strategy has proven highly effective. Always remember, in the competitive world of crypto, foresight and swift execution are often the keys to outsized returns. The earliest investors frequently secure the most advantageous positions, while those who delay may find market conditions have shifted. A meticulous setup and decisive action are your most valuable assets. Critical financial disclosure. This video is presented strictly for educational and illustrative demonstration purposes. I am not a registered financial advisor, and this content does not constitute investment advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently speculative and carries a high degree of risk, including the potential for total loss of invested capital. Your personal investment outcomes may vary significantly. I maintain no financial affiliations or endorsement agreements with pumpzone.io or Radium. I am merely sharing a method that has demonstrated current market efficacy. However, it is essential to recognize that such lucrative market inefficiencies within the crypto space can be extremely time-sensitive. The landscape is subject to constant and rapid innovation. If this approach aligns with your investment thesis, conduct your own thorough due diligence and consider acting with prudence and timeliness. These types of alpha-generating opportunities can dissipate without warning. Don't remain a passive market observer. Smash that like, subscribe for more sophisticated financial strategies, and may your crypto portfolio achieve exceptional growth. This video presentation is intended solely for educational and illustrative demonstration. I am not a certified financial advisor, and this content does not constitute financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies is inherently speculative and carries a high degree of risk, including the potential loss of principal. Your personal investment results may vary considerably. I maintain no affiliations or endorsement agreements with pumpzone.io or Radium. I am merely sharing a method that has demonstrated current efficacy. However, it is essential to recognize that such profitable niches within the crypto market can be extremely time-sensitive. The landscape is subject to constant and rapid change. If this approach aligns with your interests, conduct thorough due diligence and consider acting with alacrity. These types of lucrative opportunities can dissipate unexpectedly. Don't remain a passive observer. Smash that like, subscribe for more advanced strategies, and may your crypto endeavors be exceptionally rewarding. Until next time.